Today, we'll be taking a look at the electronic control on this Whirlpool gas range. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, we've accessed the rear of the unit and we have to remove this back panel here. It's held on by a couple of Phillips screws. We'll get one side done. And then when you're removing the other side, make sure you push your hip up against it just to hold it in place. And of course, when removing the last one, hold the bottom, make sure it doesn't fall. Grab your plate and set it to the side. Now that we have the lower panel removed, let's go ahead and remove the upper panel. It is held on by two Phillips screws. So what we'll do is remove the first side. Once again, apply pressure to the panel. Remove the last one, and then grab the panel, slide down, and set it to the side. Now that you have the top panel removed, we have clear access to the electronic control. Now there's various reasons why you'd be replacing the electronic control, anywhere from some of your buttons do not work, it could be no power, or maybe no bait. Now to begin the replacement of the board while it is still mounted, the accessible wiring I'm going to remove. The ones on the bottom, I do not recommend pulling on because you have metal right here. So what we'll do is use our screwdriver to remove the two Phillips screws that are holding on the board. We'll take those off and then pull out on the control. The ones below you can either pull up now or use a tack puller to separate. Lift them off and set it to the side. When installing your new main control, first I'm going to put the two bottom wires on right before I slide it up, just because there's not a whole lot of room. So we'll put the red on, followed by the blue. And then let's bring the control in. We will lift up on the board and line it up on one side so we can reinstall our first screw. Let's reinstall the second one. Then slide the rest of the wiring on the control. Now look on the front, make sure your UI is centered, and now we can reinstall the top back panel. When reinstalling your top panel, what we'll want to do is put the back side in, let it slide in. Do the same on the opposite side, push it back, let it glide underneath the top of the back panel. Let's reinstall the first screw. Hold on to the panel. Reinstall the second one. Now we can reinstall the bottom panel. When reinstalling your back panel, we're going to start on one side, put a screw on the drill. Let's get it in there just to hold it up. Then let's level out, get the other side lined up. And again, put in one screw. Now, let's put in the other four. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.